What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I know this feels weird. I feel like it's been forever since I picked up the camera. So I think it's been about 3 to 4 weeks since I actually did something. But we got new tires, new wheels. Big shout out to Keys Motorsports for making this happen. So these have been a set that I've always wanted, but at that same time, I wasn't sure if I really wanted to get them because they're common when it comes to BMWs. So just by me saying that, I'm pretty sure you guys know what kind of wheels I got. And let's just say that half of the people are gonna like it, half of you guys are not gonna like it. And the reason why I got them was because I wanted to do something that kind of went back to the styling that I had before I started making videos. So I used to have a G35 bagged on 3-piece wheels, IS300, slammed on coilovers with 3-piece wheels, 2-piece wheels. So I had a little bit of flashiness when it came to the wheels, and I figured it's been a while since I've actually done something, and I was like, you know, what's the perfect way to mix both styles together? And it was with these wheels. So once again, shout out to the team over at Keys Motorsports for helping me out. Brian, big thumbs up. I think it's gonna look good with the tires as well. I'll show you guys what the tires are. And this video is actually gonna be recorded into 2 different parts just because I'm gonna end up ceramic coating these wheels. And then on a different day, I'm gonna go get these mounted and show you guys how they look with the tires and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out, and I'll show you guys what we got. Ready to see this? Dang, I opened it upside down. Alright guys, so, cha-chan. Bam! Right here. Oh. You guys ready? Actually, I'm gonna put the wheel in and then show you guys. Woo! You can either play bling bling.
Every time I come around your city, bling bling.
Or you guys can play the Fast and Furious song whenever Tyrese is picking up the Eclipse.
Damn. Where y'all confiscate these rims from, man?
But no, these are not chrome. These are fully polished, and they're not 17. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 22 square. So the tires I'm going to be running are Yokohama Advent Apex 265 3518, and I got these for a really good price actually. I guess Discount Tire had a sale going on. I saw them for $200, $205 on Tire Rack, and I got these for $159 a piece. So not bad at all. So here we got the tires, and yeah. This looks so good. Yeah, you guys, just wait till you guys see the car completed. The color that I'm going to be going with this car, it's different. It's something I haven't had before, and it's actually a color that I wanted for the F80, but nothing was really out at the time. And at the same time, I didn't really know. I think the color was already out. I just didn't know about it. So I found it by accident, and this company doesn't really have any cars in that color. So I'm looking at 2 different brands, and I'm still deciding. So the little dilemma that I have going on is that if I go with one brand, I have to pay a shop to do it because they don't sell to the public. If I go with another brand, I can attempt to wrap the car myself, which is something that I really wanted to do, and that was the purpose of me getting the E46, to create like a budget build. But at this point, it's kind of really not a full-on budget anymore. I mean, I'm still trying to keep it limited and realistic, but you know, it's with these are really not budget wheels as per se to certain people. So I don't know, man. These wheels look so good. It's hard to tell the concave in person, I mean on camera, but once you guys see the tires, because this is the same issue that I had with my HREs that I had on the F80. They didn't really look that concave, but the moment that you put them on the car, you can tell. So, yeah, really excited about this. This is gonna look so good. Like I said, it's not chrome, it's high polished. And yeah, man, these things are nice. They're super clean. So when you see me rolling down somewhere, those are gonna pop. And then with the color that I have in mind, you just wait. Because that color is actually gonna allow me to run white wheels. I've always wanted to run a set of white wheels, so later on down the year, I'll probably get another set just to kind of swap around, but I'm gonna be getting a set of white wheels at some point. So it's a perfect color to run these and then to run the white wheels. So it's gonna be an exciting one. The car may not look like a lot right now, but trust me, once everything comes together, it's gonna be a lot of work, but you guys gotta believe me. I'm gonna make it happen. It's gonna be a really nice 330. Got the other wheels out there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox the rest, do my thing, ceramic coat them, and then let them dry, take them to go get mounted, and just let them sit. Just wanted to show you guys, start recording this because I might end up losing track of things, and I figure I might as well show you guys now. What do y'all think? I was a little too excited. I didn't really record any cinematic shots, but we'll worry about that later. Once we get the tires mounted, we'll do a full cinematic thing of the wheel setup. So 265/35 on a 9.5 should be pretty meaty. I'm going to be running camber up front, so that should clear the fenders. And yeah, it's going to look nice. I'm excited. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like these wheels and are open to me trying something different that we don't really see too much. We see a lot of silver, we see a lot of black. We don't see a lot of white either. And we don't see a lot of gold. So black and silver is obviously the most common color wheels to run on a BMW that people run. You guys know, if you guys are into the Japanese scene, polished wheels, gold wheels, three-piece wheels with a fat lip is what's kind of in for the Japanese thing. And it's something that I want to do with the E46 at some point. I just want to have like a little bit of mixture. But man, I just really wanted to run these high polished wheels on the E46. I figured bring back a little bit of my roots or the theme that I had going on with some of my cars back then. This is a perfect mixture. So you got a sporty design wheel, but it's polished. Come on now, you can't really say no to this. I'm gonna go ahead and end this part of the video right now, and then once we're ready to get these mounted, I'll pick back the camera up and continue the video. So it's all gonna be in one video. So in the next few seconds, we're gonna be on our way to get these things mounted. All right guys, so today is the day that we're gonna be getting the tires mounted. Got the wheels right here. We got the other one that's gonna have to go on my lap. We got the tires in the back seats. The back seat, not seats. So should be good. We do have the parts for the car coming in. It's supposed to be today. This thing's a mess. The garage is a mess. I gotta clean this up. But anyways, we got the parts coming in for the car today. The rest of the body parts, mainly the front end parts, and then the rear bumper. So all that's coming in today, supposedly. And I got a feeling it might be delayed. It probably will get pushed back until Monday. But it's all right. We still got plenty of things to do over the weekend, so I'm not in a big rush. And then once everything gets here on Monday, then we can go ahead and just tackle the project and get things going. So yeah guys, everything's gonna be coming in together at the same time, hopefully within the next 2 weeks. And then we're gonna either get the car prepped for wrap or paint. So still deciding that factor, but we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so here we have the tires mounted on the wheels finally. And one thing that I thought was kind of cool is that, so these are the Advent Apex tires on Apex wheels. Just a small little detail that I noticed. But anyways, yeah, these are the Arc 8R forged, fully polished. You can get these in a brushed finish. I think you can get them in black and silver as well. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but I do know that the brush finish looks really nice as well. And I was actually gonna think about doing that, but I was like, you know what? There's not a lot of people running fully polished wheels on Apex with Apex, so I figured I might as well grab a set, throw them on the car, get the color that I want, and just make it work. Do something a little bit different than what I've been doing with my past BMWs. So we're going with the full polished wheel this time. So it's gonna look really nice. Well, personally, I think it's gonna look nice once I get them on there. So let me know what you guys think. I will have the link to these wheels down below. Once again, you can get them from Keys Motorsports. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned because we are gonna be mounting these wheels pretty soon because we're gonna be getting the rest of the front end parts. So I'm gonna be installing the fenders, fitting the wheels up front, and then we're gonna be working on the rear as well. So stay tuned, guys. If you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Drop a like if you guys are digging these wheels. If not, still drop a like to support the channel. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.